This 3-in-1 pickleball and badminton net is such a fun little activity to set up. We have it in our backyard right now because we're going to do badminton, but when we want to play pickleball, we move it to our driveway. Super simple to assemble. It comes with literally everything you need. It has 4 of the badminton sets, a bunch of the birdies. It even comes with 4 wooden pickleball paddles if you don't have any paddles. We have a bunch, so we actually prefer to use the ones we have. A bunch of balls for pickleball. It even comes with stakes so that when you're playing badminton, you can stake it down in the grass to make sure it's nice and sturdy. And the directions were super quick and easy to follow. Maybe took us a couple minutes to set up because you literally are just clicking a bunch of those little black pieces together and then installing the net. It's so fun. The brand actually sent it to us to test out. I'm gonna kind of show you how we can transform it to a pickleball net instead of just badminton. Okay, and this is what it looks like when we get it set up for pickleball. Obviously, we're not on my driveway yet, but what we do is we end up taking off one of these poles right here. You could certainly leave them on and just put your net down, but I just feel like it looks better with it off. So you could technically keep or take the second pole off as well, depending on how high you want your net and like if you're doing it by pickleball regulation and stuff. But this thing is so fun, great to have like multiple uses for just one net. And like I mentioned earlier, it's super simple to put together and super simple to collapse and keep stored too. So what we do is once we unhook all the little poles, we just put everything back into this bag, which is not like a massive bag, but it's good size and it fits everything that it needs to. And then we just keep it in our garage and take it out as we need it. But this thing is awesome.